deep-sea Caillou.
You're it! Can't catch me! Oh! I'm as fast as a shark! Roar! Roar! You're it! Hi, I'm Caillou. What's your name?
You stay here while I talk to your teacher, okay?
We're playing animal tag. I'm an eagle. You can be any animal you want. Jason's an owl, Jeffrey's a lion, Clementine's a horse, and Leo is a shark. Or maybe he's an octopus now. I'm not sure. Is that a new kid? Yeah, her name is Lee-Won. She's kinda shy. You're it!
Children,
Caillou remembered his first day at play school. He was a little shy, too, until he started to make friends.
children, this is Lee-Won. This is her very first day at play school. That's Emma, Xavier, Caillou, Leo, Clementine, Mara, Melanie, Wendy, Jeffrey, and Jason. I've got an extra special surprise for everyone today. We have an aquarium.
Wow!
It's a present from the elementary school. They just got a new aquarium, so they gave us their old one.
Caillou was very excited about the new aquarium. He'd never seen such beautiful fish before.
What kind of fish are they?
Well, I know that those are goldfish, and those two are angelfish.
What's the one with the long, pointy tail? Is that a baby shark?
No, a shark wouldn't fit in this aquarium.
What's the stripy one called? It's called...
Yes, Lee-Won, do you know what it's called? I'm afraid I don't know what they all are. I'll bring in a book about fish tomorrow so we can all learn their names.
Look! There's a little crab in that seashell.
We're also going to learn how to take care of an aquarium. The most important thing, of course, is that the fish must be fed every day.
Can I please, Miss Martin?
We'll take turns feeding them. Now I'll reach into the magic hat and pull out today's name, which is... Caillou!
Wow, I'm the fish feeder.
We don't want to feed them too much. This should be enough.
Caillou was very careful not to spill any of the fish food. He was very proud to have this important job.
Wow, look at them go. They must be really hungry.
Now, how about we all get our paints and brushes and paint some pictures of our new fishy friends?
Caillou thought the fish still looked hungry. Maybe they needed more food. Caillou imagined he was swimming in the aquarium with all the fish.
Hello, goldfish. Peekaboo. It's supper time. You're giving them too much food. we're still hungry.
Some fish, especially greedy goldfish, just keep eating and eating. They sometimes die from too much food.
Oh no!
Caillou certainly didn't want to hurt the fish by giving them too much food.
You see that green stuff? It's called algae. Too much of it is bad for the fish, too.
Here, I'll clean it off.
Snails eat algae. I'll bring some in from home.
You have snails? Wow! And they like to eat this green gunk?
Sure. To them, it's as delicious as chocolate cake.
Do you have an aquarium at home?
Yes, my dad and I take care of it. It's bigger than this one and has lots more fish.
Do you ever pretend you're a deep sea diver and you're swimming in your aquarium?
Sure, all the time. See that fish there? That's a swordtail. Sometimes I pretend that I'm holding its tail and riding all around the aquarium.
I did too. What are the other fish called?
That striped one is called a zebrafish. The black one is a tetra. And the one with the big top fin is a sailfin molly. And that's a hermit crab. They find old seashells and move into them, like moving into a new house.
Li Wun, you certainly know a lot about fish. Maybe you can tell us more about them to help us make our pictures.
Li Wun's got a really big aquarium at home, and she's going to bring in some snails to eat up all the yucky algae.
Is your aquarium big enough for sharks? It's not that big.
I'm going to paint a picture of us being pulled by a swordtail fish.
Caillou knew that Li Wun wouldn't be so shy anymore because she was making lots of friends.
What did you say this one was called?
That's a sailfin molly.
Nothing's more relaxing than doing nothing all day.
Hey, Woody! Today's the big three-way water race down at the beach. Will you be my coach?
Oh, no. Nothing doing, Winnie. Sounds like way too much work.
I've been practicing all three of the big events. Swimming, diving, surfing. So, what do you say now, Coach?
Not interested.
Did I mention the prize?
Prize?
The winners get a 2-week tropical vacation on board the biggest party yacht in the world.
What are we waiting for? Let's hit the beach and win that prize, Winnie. Hop, two, hop, two, hop, two.
Welcome to the Big Beach Extravaganza, the thrilling ocean event that combines swimming, diving, and surfing.
Oh, boys. This vacation prize package looks like heaven on earth. Ah!
We got a race to win, Twiggy. Get your mind where it belongs.
On winning?
On cheating.
The first leg will be the mile swim, a sprint to the buoy where the winner will claim the first of 3 flags.
Didn't sound so tough to me.
That's probably because I'm the one swimming.
Good luck, sports. And get used to looking at this. 'Cause you'll be behind me, staring at it the whole way.
No way. We're winning this race.
Oh, that's rich. Get ready to swim, Twiggy.
Swim? Oh, no, bossy. I sink a lot.
Oh, don't worry. When you push this little button here, you'll become instantly unsinkable.
On your marks, get set, and go!
Oh, water and wetness!
I'm swimming, boss. I'm swimming.
Shut your yap and swim harder.
Hey, what'd you stop for?
That no-good buzzard hoodwinked us. Here's a lesson. It'll take more than a rope trick to beat us, mister. Cheaters never prosper.
Way to go, Twiggy! We just won the first leg.
What?
Next up, the deep sea dive.
Oh, boss, are you sure I need all this extra weight?
It's the fastest way to the bottom and the next flag, Twiggy. You want to win that vacation, don't you?
Yeah, but just once I'd like to be the one putting rocks in your pants.
Divers ready, set, and dive.
Dive, Winnie, dive!
Off you go.
Wow!
Oh, good cheating, buzzard. Looks like you guys could use a hand.
Oh my! In a shocking turnabout, the diving competition goes to Winnie and Woody Woodpecker. That means we're down to the final event, surfing.
Winnie, you do the surfing, I'll watch the cheating. These woodpeckers aren't getting turnpiked. No way!
Oh, boss! This ain't working so good!
That'll hold yous. And quit your grousing. Now to take care of them woodpeckers once and for all.
Oh, a shark! A shark!
Knock it off. It's just me.
Oh, not everyone can carry off that look, but you can, boss.
Get ready, Winnie! There's something fishy going on out there. Ah! Shark! Fishy like a buzzard shark. Shark! I got you covered, Winnie!
Here they come, sports fans! It's not over yet! The board has to cross the finish line!
Oh, give me, come here, Rolado. I got you.
Way to go, Winnie!
And the winners, Winnie and Woody!
Oh, we did it! Ah, who wouldn't call this paradise, huh, Woody? Only a pair of dimwits, Winnie.